I've got an expired fire extinguisher here. We're gonna be releasing it. If you've ever wondered what it looks like, I'm gonna show you. Let's get started. So here we go, it's expired, this fire extinguisher, and you can see here the arrow is in the red, not the green. So time to replace this bad boy, but we're gonna be putting this out. Let's go ahead and depress the trigger. Ooh, check that out. Just that's what one spray looks like. So I'm gonna be collecting this into a bag and disposing of it properly because it is pressurized. We shouldn't keep it out in hot temperatures or anything like that. By the way, welcome to the channel, glad you are here. Click that subscribe button, like this video, and share this with somebody that you think might benefit from it. Do lots of home projects around the house, saving you time and money, and if you're interested in changing your hobbies into cash just like I'm doing, yes, I built my own YouTube channel from scratch. Check out the money right there on the screen, that's real. It's really helped our family and me. I built a free course and a master course. Check out the link in the description below if you're interested in learning how I did it and how you can do the same thing. All right, so here it is. This powdery stuff, you're not supposed to get it on your hands, you're not supposed to breathe it in. And I'm just gonna collect this as best as I can into a bag. I'm gonna basically be putting all of it into the bag so I can just throw this canister away. You'll wanna call your local municipality and fire station. Your local fire chief might have some specific ideas on laws and what you can and can't do with these things, and safety reasons as well, right? You could just drop it off there and they could do it for you. But this is what I decided to do, and you can see a little messy here, so I need to really wash my hands. Don't recommend getting this stuff all over you like I said, but we'll put it in the bag. And this stuff is biodegradable based on my research, so I'm gonna dispose of that, seal it up, and get rid of it. Hopefully this has helped you out.